Hey guys, Kyber here, and my box of Tachyon Galaxy came today, so I'm going to get into opening it straight away because intros are boring. Oh crap. There we are. I really like the artwork on this as well, with Mizrael and number 107. First pack. Never opened any of these. I didn't go to a sneak peek or anything, so I don't mind anything I get out of here really, because I ain't got any cards. But I obviously want Judgment Day. I'm not sure. The Japanese name was Judgment Day, or Draco Sack. First pack. Butterfly Fist Wolf. Jagar Wind. It's quite a good card actually in the series. Battling Boxer Glassjaw. I hate the names Battling Boxer. I really preferred the Burning Knucklers name for it. Aurora Wind. Happy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon. This is a really good XYZ already. And Counter Punch. Magnum Shield. Legendary Atlantean Trident. And Sharkraken. Haven't opened packs. Oh my god. Memory Loss. Sonic Warrior. Common pile. Dotengu, Spellbook Miracles, Mecha Phantom Beast, Tether Wolf, Tatsukawa Knight, Battling Boxer Headgear, Blizzard Falcon, and Mecha Phantom Beast Stealth Ray. I'm thinking of making Battling Boxers, but maybe Fire Fist Battling Boxers. I'm not sure. It's a really cheap deck, but you have to wait for Judgment All Light for, I don't know what it's called in English. I know it's called Satus the Meteor in Japanese. Oh my god. I'm not using scissors to open packs. My scissors are in the bathroom, I think, anyway. Battling Boxer Switch Hitter, that's what it says. Got the Baby Wind Elemental Dragon, Spellbook of Miracles, Fire King Goronix. Is that like the baby version of High Fire King Goronix? Ice Beast Xerophine, which is Rio's XYZ, which is really good in the series. It's something to do with spells and traps, its effect. Mermail Abyss Osea, Five Brothers Explosion, Kaio, and Headgear. Whoa, is that misprinted? Headgeared. I thought it was just called Headgear. Let's just use brute force on the packs. No hollows so far, and I think I've opened like 3 packs. Another one of the Wind Elemental Dragon. Aerial Recharge, and that's Hamstrat, which is a really good Mecha Phantom Beast. Aurora Wind, Abyss Scale of Mizuchi, XYZ Revenge, Battling Boxer Spara, Burner, really good common, XYZ Block, and Trident. So I'm guessing they're bringing out baby versions of the Atlantean and Fire King main card, as you would say, in the starter decks. Destroying all the packs. Biachi, one of Yuma's cards. Starfish, Abyss Scale of Mizuchi, Eagle Shark, Raidox, nice, that's a good rare to see. And a super rare, Hysteric Sign, that's what it says. One of the Harpy cards. Another Burner, Tetsukawa Knight, and Jewels of the Valiant. I might have another opening tomorrow depending on what packs I buy when I'm out. I probably won't open them on camera though because I won't buy many. I'm not sure. Depends what mood I'm in. The water elemental dragon. I've got quite a few of these already. Starfish. Little fairy. Ooh, it's a weird looking card. I think that might be one of Rio's monsters maybe by the look of it. I don't know. Big whale. King of feral imps. That annoys me. I thought that was going to be a foil, but yeah, it's quite a good common. Really strong for 2 level 4s actually. Generic as well. Good for reptile decks. I'm going to probably try that out on Dev Pro. Panther shark, leopard, or lep. This will be a lot faster now. Memory loss. Oh, I see an ultimate. Spellbook of Miracles. Battling Box of Switch Hitter. Buffalo, and Noble Knight Gwalchevlad in Ultimate. Wow, it's a really good card. So one of the Ultras really, a lot of people really wanted this Ultra, so quite happy to get that. I really like Noble Knights as well. Looks like really good, the artwork. Nice. Radius. Yeah, I'll put it there. So if the recording's a bit bad, I only just got home from school. Leopard. Another King of Feral Imps, and Sharkraken. I was hoping to get Tachyon Dragon and Ghost Star Ultimate, but I'm just as happy getting that actually. Really good card. Gaga Wind. I'm not sure whether I'm going to test this in my deck because I run Gagas. Aerial Recharge. Eagle Shark. Memory Loss. Oh, Tidal. Nice. This is probably my favourite out of the Elemental Dragons. Sharkraken. Tatkawa Knight. Pebbles. And Blizzard Falcon. About halfway through the box. We haven't had really any foils. I think I've had 2. Tachyon. I don't even know how I'm going to say that. Switch Hitter. Mizuchi. Starfish. Tempest. Get all of the Elemental Dragons of this, right? This is... Everyone's using this in Dragonities lately. I'm not sure whether that's good, but I've seen a lot of people using it in Dragonities. Noble Knight. Noble Arms of Destiny. Super. Burner. So I've got a playset of them now. Atlantean Trident. Radius. Next pack. Sorting the pile out. Eagle Shark. Little Fairy. Mega Phantom Beast Black Falcon. Glassjaw. Another Tidal. Getting some good rares in this. Spara. Tatakawa Knight, Jules, and Radius. 10 minutes already, and I think I'm about halfway through the box, I'm not sure. So the second half seems like it's going to have more hollows in, seeing as this half's only had about 2 or 3, I think. Oh. Okay then. My amazing cutting skills. High Tide on Fire Island, Gaga Wind. Put that aside. Biachi. Summon Breaker. Trifortress Tops. This was a really controversial card. Everyone thought this was going to be secret, but it's a really good card. Five Brothers Explosion. SIZ Block. Jewels of Valiant. And Fire Formation Kayato. Kayo. I really like the commons and the rares in this set, it's really good. First one of these I've got, Shark Fortress. So this one of Shark's cards obviously, it's you can fire your XYZs at people to do damage. I've seen it being used on the show. Dotengu, Mizuchi, Parak, Parsec, should I say. Do a barrel roll, wow. This card's amazing, just because of the Star Fox reference. Sacred Swords of the 7 stars, the rarest super in the set. Nice. Probably the best card to use for Metal Dragons, because it's trading for level 7s. Mermail, Abyss Osea, Headgear, Stealth Ray. Not doing bad on the holos actually, I've had some really high dollar cards I guess for the rarities. That 7 stars, Sacred Swords of the 7 stars is meant to be the least printed, or the most short printed of the set for supers, so there. Switch Hitter, Droplets, Black Falcon, Shark Fortress, Blaster, finally one of these. I think this is the first one I've got, I'm not sure. Yeah. Leopard, Panther Shark, Trident, Mind Drain. I'm hoping to get the super rare Constellar or the super rare Evil Swarm in this set. Because, you know, Constella's and Evil Swarm are pretty awesome archetype. Now I'm thinking of making Evil Swarm just because Ophion's an absolute beast of an XYZ. But they really, like, can't run over heavy, like, monsters. High attack points things. Wow, the face detection on the camera is picking up the face of the wolf. Black Falcon, Biachi, Droplets, Trifortress Tops, Panther Shark, King of Fire Imps, Counterpunch, Knight. I'm just going to go fast through the last bit of the box then. Seeing as it's been 12 minutes already, I don't want this to be any longer than 20. High Tide on Fire Island, Aurora Wing, Gronix, Glassjaw, Double Barrel Roll, King of Fire Imps, that's such a troll card at the minute. Burner, Mimic. Is this short printed? It's the first one I've had of these. Super card anyway. Abyss Osea. Going. Got a lot of foils to get in this so at the last part, so hopefully it'll be quite an epic ending. Memory Loss. Gaga Wind. Aerial Recharge. Aurora Wing. Battling Boxer Lead. What? Lead Yolk. That's disgusting. It was called Lead Blow, which was really cool. Mimic. Dragon Carnation, Stealth Ray, Leopard. I don't like that name at all. Battling Boxer Lead Yolk. Yolk's part of an egg. It's not going to be an absolute beast of a card which just destroys everything when it's going to be destroyed. Spellbook of Miracles, Dotengu, Wheel of Prophecy. Oh, nice. The Battling Boxer Number, which has got a really gay name in English. Should be called Satus the Meteor like in Japanese, but it's called Star Satus. Magnum Shield, Jewels of Valiant, Spara, and Abyss Osea. I'm nearly out of breath, I'm talking way too fast. And I'm just unfit. 9 out of 2 yet now. So, it's quite tense, I'm hoping to get one of the good ones. Memory Loss, these are at the front of every pack. High Tide on Fire Island, Gronix, Switch Hitter, Go-Go Gigas. I used to rarely want this card, but now I don't use Go-Go, so... XYZ Block, Kaio, Counterpunch, Blizzard Falcon. Yeah, I think I'm pretty close to making a Battling Boxer deck now. So I'm probably going to do it. It'll be really cheap as well, so I just need to wait for the Chaos version of Satus. Shark Fortress, Mizuchi, Starfish, Tidal again, really good card. Counterpunch, Mind Drain, Stealth Ray, Green Dust on the short print of the set. I've got a red one, so now I've got a green one. Nice. I got the green one the other week, so if you've already seen that video, you'll know. You could talk like, you know, yeah I know, there's only 4 packs including this one now. So it's going to be some pretty epic ending. Got 2 Ultras still to get. Whoa, I ain't seen this one yet. Rise Bell, the Star Adjuster, Sonic Warrior, Dotengu, Ice Beast Zerofine, Fire Formation Gyoku. Where do they make the names for these Fire Fist cards? Trident. Oh, that's a foil, isn't it? Magnum Shield, Sparks, and Headgear. Yeah, so I think I've got all of Baby Dragons as playsets, and I've got quite a few of the adult ones, so hopefully I'll be able to make a Synchro Elemental Dragon deck sometime. 3 packs left. Aurora Wing, Droplets, Drafts, Eagle Shark. Oh, KSXC's Dark Fairy Chair Girl, first one of them. And Torrential Reborn. I'm not sure how much his card is. Could be really good, could be really bad. Need to move this side a bit. I'm not sure. Still, not exactly the secret anyone's looking for. Pebbles, Headgear, and Block. That's a bit disappointing, I guess, seeing as there is 2 really high dollar cards in this set. But, like I said, it's better than nothing, I guess. I don't think I've said that, but still, it's just an expression. Anything's better than the secret. I got a Cosmo Blazer, Bonfire Colossus, Black Falcon, Aerial Recharge, Wolf, Biachi, Tempest, Kaio, Panther Shark, Blizzard Falcon, and Leopard. I haven't had 2 Ultras, have I, yet? About £7 for the secret, not bad, I guess. Put that in the sleeve and top load away, please.
Yes, sir.
I just can't just go off camera and do it. Video is going to be about 18 minutes long, so thanks for watching if you're still here. Just open this last pack. If I don't get an Ultra in this, this will be a pretty messed up box. Parasect, Sonic Warrior, Little Fairy, Go-Go Gigas, and nice! The Chaos version of Satyrs. Battling Boxers, here I come. Explosion, Mind Drain, Mimic, Spar. Bye guys, thanks for watching, it's been Garo Kaiba.